Pins were used to fix a string onto a board. Each pin was placed 30 cm apart from the next one. One pin was placed at the start point and the end point of the string. A total of 15 pins were used. What was the length of this string? Okay, so let's draw a few more pins to have a better visualization about this problem. So let's draw a third one here, fourth one here, and there are more in between. Okay, so between the first and the second, 30 cm. So basically in each gap it covers 30 centimeter. Alright, so from here to here also 30 cm and so on until you reach the 15th pins. Okay, so 15th pin, that will be the last pin already. Now to do this question we need to understand that there are gaps in between the pins. So between the first and the second there is one gap. Okay, between the first and the second pin there is one gap. Between the first and the third pin there are two gaps. Between the third and the fourth pins there are 1, 2, 3 gaps. Okay, so to find the number of gaps between the first and the 15th pin, all you need to do is take 15 minus 1, which will give us 14 gaps. Let's see whether that step works for a smaller number of pins. So between first and second there is one gap. 2 minus 1, one gap. Between first and third there's two gaps. 3 minus 1, there's two gaps. Between the first and the fourth, 1, 2, 3, there are three gaps. How do you get 3? 4 minus 1. Okay, so between the first and the 15th, by using the same process, the number of gaps will be equals to 15 minus 1, that will be 14 gaps. Okay, so 14 gaps will be 14 times 30 cm, 420 centimeter will be our answer for this question.